Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin booming. Remember, before we jump into this analysis, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days, free. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to pick a random comment from a video over 7 days. Give away $500 in free Bitcoin. Now, this is a Bitcoin 30-minute chart. I've adjusted the lower trend lines, and price action seems to be respecting this. There's plenty of touches to make this a valid falling wedge. 68% chance at some point this breaks out to the upside. Okay, so long-term bullish. Right now, this is a downtrend though. So I posted this 5-minute chart last night in the trading group. Inverse head and shoulders by the breakout of this trend line. What happened? Boom, moved to the upside. Now we're looking, you're just kind of in this little area here. We need Bitcoin bulls to show up, push this price action above this range right here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person up $5,000 in a week. I never thought this was possible and laughs about it. George, shout out to George. Changed my life. I'm in the 6-figure club now with Cody and Anchor. We destroyed both of these. Killed it. Listen, if I post the same setups over and over, if I talk about Cody twice a week, you got to read between the lines. Anchor 2, right? Anchor 2. Shout out to Jason. He said, "You made my life so much better. I 5x'd my $10,000. 5x'd." Watching the channel. This person sent me this leveraged XRP trade. Up 504% in one trade. Again, 5x'd his money in one trade. Huge. If you guys do not understand how to enter these setups I'm going to talk to you about in the video, if you do not understand how to take profits, buy the dip, scale in, set stop losses, I can help you. I will teach you everything I know. Check out my trading group. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable coins for the entire bull market. Watch. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Like, you have to understand, like, the money in this market is made buying these dips. It's like planting seeds right now, right? When in the spring and the beginning of summer, we're gonna harvest. We're gonna freaking harvest our altcoin crops. Watch what happens. You guys follow the channel. You guys see our success rate. Anchor. You guys remember this? 28,000 people saw this. 28,147. Listen, shout out to 89,900 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button. Let's go. 90,000. Let's get it. $500 in Bitcoin. Chance to win. Hit that subscribe button. Like the video. Anchor. This is on the 21st, 5 days ago. 5 days ago. What other coins were you in that made 86% profits in 5 days? Huge. Anchor exploded. Audio. This was posted in my trading group on February the 26th. Only 4 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago. See all this scribble down here? See all this stuff? So I have these weekly screen shares where we go over all the setups and really talk in detail, answer questions and whatnot. weekly meeting screen shares, audio BTC. I covered this and I talked about it on screen share. 528% profits in 1 month. This thing went completely parabolic, huge gains. Fidelity, you guys may have heard this, they filed for a Bitcoin ETF. Like, there's so many ETFs right now on the table. However, I don't know if everything hinges on these. It's going to be good. Coinbase Pro outflow. So the idea here is, a lot of times when you see these big outflows on Coinbase, people are pulling their Bitcoin off exchanges just to hold it. SEC's crypto mom warns that fractional NFTs could break the law. So talking about how, these NFTs, where they're, breaking up when you want to own a portion of a building, it could be a security. Real quick note, she says fractionalized NFTs, not NFTs like probably some people are collecting artwork and whatnot, these little collectors NFTs. So I'd like to see more clarity on this. Esther Pierce, remember, she is SEC commissioner and she's the crypto mom. She's pro crypto. So interesting to see her take on this. Bitcoin monthly returns. Listen, this has not been historically a good month for Bitcoin. It just hasn't been, right? It's typically a red month. All right. Well, guess what happens? Last April, 35% gains. 27% gains, 36% gains, 27% gains. April, let's go, baby. Let's go. Epic month. These altcoins, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you they're about to take off. Watch this. Vechain. Okay, there's tons of news on FET. Decentralized digital economy built on the blockchain. They have all this news they were tweeting earlier. They're announcing their AEA Manager native app supported for Windows. So they've got this new app demo. The mainnet 2, version 2 mainnet for Fetch AI is coming the end of the month in 5 days. 5 days. So I've got a setup for you guys on this one. Elon Musk goes DeFi. Don't defy DeFi, he said. Huge. DeFi is going to change the world. Watch. Engine Coin and a JumpNet is launching April the 6th. This is a high-speed bridge network that's going to allow free, instant, on-chain transactions of Engine Coin. Huge. Bella Protocol. They had a token burn. Less tokens slowly increases the price of Bell. Okay, so they have diminished the actual coin supply of Bella. I don't know how substantial it is. Doesn't, by these numbers, doesn't look like a whole lot. But less coins is better than more coins, right? Now this is the dollar DXY. We talked about this. Like, look, with so this is Bitcoin, orange line, pumps, right? Well, guess what? When the dollar dumps, what happens? Bitcoin pumps. When the dollar dumps, Bitcoin pumps. When the dollar dumps, Bitcoin pumps. Now, let me turn this off. Now listen, you got possible bearish divergence. If this gets confirmed, and you get that dollar DXY dump, right, this would lead the Bitcoin breakout, right? So it's important to kind of keep an eye on this chart. This is the altcoin market cap dominance. Okay, so this means it's at 40 right now, 40.6%. Basically, Bitcoin makes up the other, close to 60, just under 60%. Now, this trend line that has been respected multiple times, the total altcoin market cap dominance is breaking out here. Bullish. Altcoin season's coming. We're going to have a freaking proper altcoin season, face melting altcoin season. You want to go big on these altcoins when you can. When these alts run, they run crazy. You guys won't even believe it. If you haven't seen this before, it doesn't even make sense. Like, these coins go ballistic. Now, another sign that would back up the idea of altcoin season coming would be performance of Ethereum compared to the performance of Bitcoin. And so you've got the 200 simple moving average coming in here. And what happens is, right now, the 200 simple initially, like when the price action's under the 200 simple, it'll act like a magnet. It'll pull up the price action, right? Sometimes the price action will run up and touch it and get rejected. Now, here it is. It's coming in here. When the price action breaks above the 200, right? So we're looking for, move is going to be forced here soon, right? You got support right here. It's going to get squeezed, right? So running out of room. If you look back previous price history, look at this. So Ethereum breaks above the 200 here. Guess what happens? Boom. Now here it happens on a small scale. Nothing's perfect in trading and TA and these signals, right? However, and you don't even catch all the move, but you do see a decent size move to the upside, right? When the price action falls below it, I mean, it's a downtrend, right? So the real good way to kind of determine bullish price action is when the price action is above the 200, okay? And you see back here, Ethereum broke above the 200, kind of retested it right here. Retests are good too. Retests are good too. And then boom, move to the upside, right? To clarify, when this breaks above, it means the performance of Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. You'll see a proper altcoin season. This is FET. We talked about this news, mainnet coming. Buy the breakout of this level. Tons of fake outs in here. Tons of fake outs. It's always better. Like, it's always better instead of getting caught in these crazy fake outs, right? They're trying to trick us. They're trying to take our money. If you get a breakout and then a retest, retests are golden. That's where all the buyers are sitting at, right? Other people trade the exact same way and they're waiting for the exact same retest, and you get bullish follow through based on this idea. Chain. And so I actually gave this to you guys back here. I've been holding this whenever I see a good pattern and you got some news. You know, I bought this potentially before. I bought this breakout down here somewhere. It actually slid down a little bit further and it's finally taken off. I'm up about 20%. So, I mean, since I gave you guys the setup, we're up 18%, essentially. Okay, now, if you want to look at this kind of cup and handle idea, right? And again, this is one, it's like, hey, buy the breakout. It's not like, hey, it's not buy now. Cup and handle, right? Buy the breakout at this level. You get a break above here, you'll get some upside out of Walton Chain. They've got this decentralized exchange launch and a rebrand by the end of the month. So here's BTT, buy the bull pennant breakout. And here it is. Got volume coming in, right? Volume coming in. Now, look, you got fake outs all over the place. I mean, if this thing comes down and retests here, that's your best entry. BTT is overbought. It's overbought. Like, it needs some type of retrace, right? It needs some type of pullback just to cool off the RSI, right? Remember, you can come down here on the RSI. Like, this is pretty easy trick. And you can drive these rising wedges. Rising wedges break to the downside, 68% chance, right? Well, then when it's an overbought territory up here, what happens? What happens? Let's just mark some of these real quick. Let's just mark some of these real quick. Not trying to cherry pick them. They don't always work. It's not always perfect. But let's just see. Let's just, right, here's quite a few that I just picked. Okay, what happens after RSI is overbought? Overbought hits this 70 level right here. Boom, move to the downside. Happened here, overbought. Boom, move to the downside. What happened here? Overbought. When you're looking at taking profits, man, listen, it's right here. You go out to Vegas, you count cards, you can freaking win a ton of money. Are you going to win every hand? No, nowhere near it. We're not going to win every hand trading, but we're going to create an edge for a lifetime that will make us profitable forever. That's what this channel is about. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.